Okay, for the Indian, I'm making an Indian, and this is a piece of cardboard traced out of a 5T top, and these are pants that were I laid it down and marked it out for a 5T and a pair of pants, because that's what my figures wear, is 4T to 5T. So I couldn't find Indian clothes that I wanted, that I was looking for. So what I got was, see how this is laid out onto the cardboard and then cut out. So what I found was, it's basically a throw that you can buy. And what I did was I took the throw and I cut it out for a top. And then I cut the pants out. You can find fabric at any fabric store or any department store. There was the pants. So I cut those out. So now I have pants and a top to make. And we're going to go out and put these together. You need 2 pieces, one for each pair, or 2 pieces for the top, 2 pieces the same thing cut out for the pants. So now we'll go out and put them together.